guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you're new here, and if you're not new, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, today I tried on this super cute brown wig from RPGSHOW. So if you want to see what I did to get this look, then just keep on watching. RPGSHOW, what does it say? Bold and sexy hair. And this is the back. It has their social medias. Okay, let's open it up. Let me open it up first. Super cute. Oh, how cute. Okay, this is what the wig comes in. This cute carry bag. I'm gonna open that up in a little bit. It has, what is this? Shows you how to fix your ear tape so you can lay your stuff tightly on your head. Is there stuff? Oh, and they put the tape in here, which is really the elastic band. And I actually might sew this on a little bit later. Not right now though. Now I'm gonna open this bad boy up. I love this bag, super cute. Okay, look description, name X4459-T. I got it from the clearance section because I can't afford RPG without clearance. Okay. And it's RPGSHOW, not RPG here. It is a difference. And then I just got more wig caps. Okay, this is the wig. Wow, super excited. Okay, let me take this. How do I take this off? Ugh. I don't know how you take this. Oh, here it goes. This is, don't like the way it smells. I really should wash it. I should wash this. I don't really have time to wash it today though. I need to put this on my head and go. Let me turn on my flat iron. I use a regular Remington flat iron. It's on 370. I'm gonna let it go ahead and heat up. Okay. Normal construction. I think this is cap size B. It might be kind of big. Inside combs, elastic straps down here, and again I have the tape thing you can put on your head. Let me brush this out. I really don't like the way this smells. I'm gonna have to wash this. Just not right now, maybe tomorrow. Super pretty color. Wow. Golly, golly, golly. Looks kind of big. Super cute, super. I'm gonna have to lay that down. Okay, it does come with a metal part. Oh, this is super adorbs. I wonder, can I wear this without having to glue it down? I really want to wash this, or maybe just condition it and then blow dry it and then come back. Let me see how much this is. So cute. Okay, a lot of flyaways. I'm gonna have to tame that. That's why they offer you the flyaway tamer thing. So cute though. Oh, I love this. And it feels so soft. I'm sorry, I can only just sit here and run my hands through it. It is so soft. Do y'all like this color? Let me know. Oh my gosh. this is the final look, you guys. I hope that you really enjoyed this look as much as I do. I love this hair. I've been wanting to go brown for a long time, and I'm super happy with these highlights. Again, I'll post a picture of what it looks like online because it kind of doesn't match, but this is better, promise you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, comment down below if you like this color on me, and also what color you think will look good on me as well. Just thanks for showing love, y'all, and stick around for my next video.